This is problem number 11 of the 2012 AP Calculus exam. Let f be the function defined by f of x equals the square root of the absolute value of x minus 2 for all x. Which of the following statements is true? Well, let's begin by looking at the graph of f of x. We have the square root of the absolute value of x minus 2. And I know what the function's graph of f of x equals the square root of x minus 2 looks like. But I'm not so sure about this absolute value. So let's think about it. Let's start out with the one we know. It's just a shift to the right 2. It's a parabola on its side pointing up. Because it's positive, if it were negative, it'd be below the axis. So that's what I have for that part. So what does this absolute value do to my problem? Well, I know if I had something like y equals the absolute value of x, I'd get a v at the origin. And if I had y equals the absolute value of x minus 2, it would be just a shift to the right 2, and I'd get the same thing. But I'm noticing I get this reflection that's over that line. And the same thing is going to be true here. I'm going to have a line of at x equals 2 that I'm going to be able to reflect that function on this left-hand side. And that's what my graph's going to look like for the absolute value, or the square root of the absolute value of x minus 2. So now I can answer the question and find out which one's true. Part A, f is continuous but not differentiable. Well, f is continuous on this function. It is not differentiable at x equals 2 because I have a cusp. And so that is a true statement. F is continuous but not differentiable, and that's our answer. So that's letter A.